Hello and welcome to today's live stream. Yeah, where we're going to be talking about the cryptos to buy now. Oh my God, can you see what I am seeing? I mean, if you can see what I am seeing, just say yes if you're watching the replay. And if you're here live with me, say yes. Look at BNB. BNB is 324.6. Oh my God. Look at BTC. BTC is 47,418. Look at ETH. ETH has tried to move the needle a little bit. Now it's 2,513. And do you know the one that really is very surprising to me is OM. OM is 31 now. When we left it yesterday, we left it, we left it at 22. That was when we left it at 22 cents. Now it's 31 cents. Look at Solana. Solana is already at 106 now. It changes. See, 106. Look at Coty. Coty has played a comeback. Oh my God. Wow. Anybody here with me today? Welcome, guys. Welcome aboard. Go ahead and please smash that like button. That's the way we roll here. Go ahead and click the like button. Let YouTube know that things are happening here, right? Just go ahead and click the like button, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh my God. Wow. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. These things are growing wild. They are. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at BNB. Look at BNB. BNB is 326. Wow. BNB is 326. Can you just imagine that? That is awesome. I'm going to show you what we did. Let's go quickly to our recap, right? Because we need to go into our recap before we start checking the charts. Let's look at it. So you understand what I'm saying, that we are not joking here. This is the snapshot of what we had yesterday, right? It was at 319. Now it's at 326. It has moved up $7. And if you had taken BNB, right? If you had taken it, you would have seen what would have happened. You would have made profit. That's it. You would have made profit. You would have made profit if you would have taken some profit today, gone back in again and begin. I told you, BNB is hot. I mean, and when you're playing with it, you're taking good profit, right? Look at it. From 319 is right now at 326. This was yesterday's stats, right? BTC was at 45,420. Now it's at 47,000. ETH was still dragging at 2,426. But now it's at 2,500. Can you see what I'm saying here? We are not playing here. We're talking about cryptos to buy, top cryptos to buy now, to take profits from. And if you are really playing in the crypto space, you want to be holding some of these hot coins, right? You want to be holding some BNB. You want to be holding some BTC, and you want to be holding some ETH, right? Especially when we are in this particular circumstances, right? DYM was at $7.57, while Solana was at 103. I'll show you the current prices now. OM was at 22. I told you that OM, we left it at 22 cents, right? Let's quickly go back inside of, let's go and see what's happening real time right now. BNB is 324. Let's go into the charts and see what's going on. Guys, I welcome you on board. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you can see right now, this is on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, there was a pullback that happened. Right? A pullback happened, but immediately after a while, it just within the same 1 hour, it sprung back up. And that's what we call the dips. Just quickly went into a dip and then went back up, right? And this kind of things, imagine if you had set a sell limit, a buy limit, you would have bought at a cheaper price and then quickly sell at a big price, right? That's how we go about it in spot trading, right? But even if you had placed a trade, I'm telling you, if you had placed a trade as at yesterday, at 319, you would have come out of it with good profit, because of course you would have put a target of probably 3%, 2.5% or something like that, and you would have made money, right? This is what we're talking about here. You're picking up coins that we know are hot and likely to go up. Of course, when we begin to see that there's also going to be a switching trend, we always talk about that too. So for now, it's still going on good. Look at the 4 hour chart. Look at the 4 hour chart. It's still good. We have the parabolic SAR still underneath. 1 day chart, the daily chart, I told you, because it's just getting started, it's still pushing up. Look at it. We've got a third dot. I told you when we had the first dot that this is a good sign that it's going to be going up on the daily. It's going to be going up on the daily. So if you want to be picking the trades daily, picking them up, cashing out, you have the opportunity to do that, right? Let's check it out on the 15 minutes Oh, 15 minutes. Yeah, you may not be able to scalp very much on the 15-minute time frame, but actually you would see that as you proceed, if you're looking at the 1 hour frame, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame would just have been just as good, right? That's it. You can see that. You can see that. And in the 15 minutes time frame, you may not be able to scalp because the parabolic SAR has come out on top. So it's not really good for scalping. So we definitely go with the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still good. It's just experiencing a pullback. So you can just wait a bit. Like for this now, if you want to go into the trade for BNB, I would suggest you wait a bit because at this point right now, it's going through a pullback and you need it to get back into a green candle for you to know how it's going to pump. And if you go into it right now, you will be waiting for some time. Yeah, you're going to be waiting for some time, probably in the range of the 4 hourly, because in the 4 hourly, it's also having a pullback, but it's still in a very good shape in terms of the parabolic SARs. In looking at the RSI, you can see the RSI is at 80. So it means that it's practically at its peak. So for what I can see here in the 4 hour and the daily, let me see what's happening in the daily. In the daily, it's still at, it's at 65. So in the daily, if you want to put in, some trades for BNB, but that's in the daily, you should have taken, this is showing that you should have taken, profit shortly before now. Yeah. Hello, welcome guys. Nice to have you here. All right. Nice to have you here. I'm glad that you're here with me. Thank you so much for joining. Right, please don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget. Let YouTube know that you are getting some good stuff from here. Okay, so back to what I'm saying, right? I want us to look at these things critically because that's the concept of what we're doing here. We look at it critically. If you have any coins you want us to, look into and try to, analyze before you take the trade, that's what we do here also. So if you have any coins, don't forget to drop that in the chat. Even if you're not on the live stream with me, but you're on the replay, just drop it. We will look at it in our next live stream, right? And then we'll do the analysis for you to be able to take advantage of that coin or for you to stay away from it, because the whole idea is for us to tell the truth. If it is not working, you stay away from it. Just like I'm seeing that BNB right now is at its peak and might likely begin a switch. So I'm saying that if you have to take this trade, you need to be able to wait. The best time to have taken this was been 1, 2, or 3 days ago. But as we speak right now, there's always a next best time. All right. There's always a next best time. If you understand what I'm saying, just say yes in the comments. All right, let's get back and see what's going on in BTC's life. BTC is not joking, right? BTC is not joking. It's having a pullback now. It's getting to its peak, 47,699. It got almost to 48. I told you it's got in for 50,000. It's going to break out to 50,000, right? And I can see that coming up shortly, but I need something to help me confirm. Let's check the 4-hour chart. Oh, yes, it's confirming that it's going up in an upward trajectory. What about the 1-day chart? Same thing. It is giving me the good vibes that this is still continuing. But you see, when you see the parabolic SAR has, look at this. Can you see that there's a slight change in shape? Look at it. You can see that it was going on in a kind of straight slant. And then all of a sudden, the last two kind of, the last one kind of left its, its role and now switched in a little direction upwards. That means that it had a higher pump, a higher intensity. So at this point, it might have a few more higher intensity pumps and then begin to switch. So, but for now, looking at, okay, it's at 71 for the RSI. So we're good, right? We're good. So if you are considering this, I would say that you go with this. You go with this quickly before the switch comes. The switch is coming soon. Probably, I hope it hits 50,000, but maybe when it gets to 48 or thereabout, it might begin to switch. It might look like that. I'm not 100% sure, but before the end, I will be able to tell. But what I'm seeing here, just taking a good look at the pullback here, I'm studying it because I'm seeing that the pullback currently is at 47,302. It's really flipping and flopping, right? So we have to be able to take a good look at it. Look at the RSI. The RSI is at 79. So it's showing me that it's getting to overbought levels. And that means that there may likely be a switch. I hope it does break to 49, probably 50, but it looks like there might be a switch, maybe like a pullback, a short pullback. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. It's having a pullback there. Let's check the other time frames. Let's see, 5 minutes. Let's see what's working. It's having a pullback. Pullback seasons that happen right now. 3 minutes, it's definitely having a pullback. Oh, it's trying to get out of it. 1 minute, what we'll say about the 1 minute. 1 minute is looking like it's coming out of the pullback, but I would say stay course for a bit, right? Just wait and be patient, because this is actually a pullback is happening. But if you want to go in for the daily or probably the 4 hourly, you're good. Just put it in and wait for like 1 or 2 days, and you will see that it will pump up back again. One day is still good. We have a high intensity pump strategy that's coming up there, right? So if you want to do that, you can take advantage of this now, but there's coming a switch shortly. Mark my words, a switch is coming shortly. Yes, how soon that's going to be, I cannot really tell, but it's showing me that this is going to happen. All right, let's get back inside ETH. Excuse me, please. ETH, I'm seeing that on the daily, it has just started this pumping, it's going up gradually. So I'm thinking, and I'm getting some good vibes about it, that this is a time for ETH to begin to swing up. Yes, this is already confirming that. I told you within the past couple of hours, it's been going up. I mean, I think it just got tired of being stuck because I told you it was in the stock zone, right? If you take a good look at this zone here, you would see that it was actually in the stock zone. It was not sure where it was going. And at that point, it was still in the trajectory of a downward trend. But after a while, just like about 12 hours ago, it now began to go up. Of course, it corrected itself a bit, and now it's going up, right? It's going up. So I would say take advantage of this. Take advantage of this, all right? So guys, say hi in the comments. Let me know you're here. If you want us to check any coins for you, I can see you guys coming in the room. Just put the coin you would like us to check, and we will do that. Okay. Now, I must let you know that I dropped a link in the comments, right? If you want to be part of our premium class, you want to join our training program, you can click on the link in the chat I just dropped, right? You can see it in the pinned comments. You just see it in the chat. Click on that link and then you'll be chatting with me. You can get more information about our training programs. We are going to be running some deep dives with our students very soon, and you don't want to miss out on that, right? What we do here on the lives are just very small amounts of chunks of what we do inside of the premium program, and you don't want to miss that, right? So go ahead and click on the link and you'll be chatting with me. If you're watching the replay also, all you just need to do is that you go in the link in the description, and then you see the same link, and you can also send me a message. Okay, so we are talking about ETH. ETH is looking good, but I'm seeing that in the 1 hour it's having a pullback, so I'm a bit skeptical. All right, I know holding it for 4 hours should be better, or maybe a daily should be better, but if you're looking at scalping, I don't think this is really a good option, because right now at this point it is having a pullback. Let's check the other smaller time frames. Let's check 1 minute. 1 minute is a time. Of course, you can see it's not working for the 1 minute. You can't even scalp with this. What about 3 minutes? 3 minutes, same thing. You can't scalp with this. If you can't scalp with it in the 15 minutes, you definitely can't scalp with it in the very shorter time frames. Just take it like that. Even in the 1 hour, look at it. The 1 hour is still having a pullback, very slightly so, but it's still having a pullback. So I would say for ETH, look at it for swing trading, couple of days, probably a week, and then you'll be able to cash out with a higher profit. But it's on its way. It's on its way. If you understand what I'm saying and you want more information, you just drop yes in the comments. Okay, let's go ahead and check on other things. All right, so we're doing our recap. Like I told you, OM is scattering the place. I'm telling you, it's going to be in the gainers. Those are the top three that move up to the hot. Now, you see, when you see this hot section, it shows that something is happening, right? If one of the gainers moves to the top area here, it shows that something is happening. Look at OM. OM is at 31. It's in the gainers also. You can see it's number one on the gainers. It's number one on the gainers. It's also on the hot. I mean, I told you yesterday that you can still take advantage of the OM, right? But it's going to have a pullback. And that's exactly what happened. It had a pullback. I wasn't sure about it. Look at it. Look at the zone where it happened. I think, yeah. Look at the zone where it happened. I'm going to check on I think I did a screenshot. Did I take a screenshot? I don't think I did a screenshot. I think I took, okay, see, this is it. I took a screenshot of the prices. The OM was at 22, and it was going through its pullback season at that point. I said, okay, if you want to gonna take it, you have to wait for it to be over with its pullback season. Wait for it to start entering into a green candle, right? And then you can take it. So look at it. Let's take a look at what happened within that space of time, right? See, this is what I'm talking about. This was the zone where we were talking about. It was having a pullback, and then it was not sure about what direction it was going to take. You can see those red candles there. It went up to the green candle, have a red candle. So it had its own pullback season, and after that, it now began to shoot up. It had its second round of going up. So it's good right now. It is good. You can take, let me see whether we can scalp on it on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It has the parabolic star underneath. What about the 3 minutes? Let's see whether that is working for the 3 minutes. It is, but you'll have to wait a bit. What about 5 minutes? What's going on in 5 minutes? 5 minutes, you can scalp on it. Between 1 and 5 minutes, you can do it. On the 15-minute time frame, but it's actually about to fully switch. Excuse me, please. It's actually about to fully switch into the upward trajectory, right? Because very soon the parabolic side is going to switch, and you just come and see. Let me take a screenshot of this in the 1 hour. Then we can actually compare what's going on later on, right? So I've taken a screenshot of the OM. But it's actually good. It's actually a good coin to go into right now. It's pumping, it's moving. On all time frames, it's good. On the 4 hour, definitely it's good. On the 1 day, definitely it's good. It has, parabolic stars, and it is pumping up high. You can see this for yourself. So I would say you can take it. You can take this OM. People made money on this OM, so you have to be able to take this. And you see, when I'm saying something here, you need to be able to understand what I'm saying, because that's what's going to help you, right? If you are here and you want to be able to take on coins, you want to be able to have the confidence to take these coins and place trades on them. I place trades on this. I do things live, right? I don't hide things here. If there's anything I see about this, I tell you so that you can take advantage of it. So on the daily, it's good. Look at it. Even on the 1 hour, it's also good, right? It's going up. It definitely, you can see it it's come out of its what they call it now. It came out of the pullback it had, and now it's going up. So it's something you can take. So if you're not sure about it, please let me know in the comments hello, I can see Merdeka says hello. I'm from Indonesia. Nice to hear from you, Merdeka. I'm so glad to hear you and hear from you. Please let me know in the comments if you want to, if you want to take advantage of any coin. Which coin do you want to take advantage of now? Which coin do you want to buy now? Any one of you that are here, I can see you guys are here. Please don't forget, please click on the like button. Just click on that. That's the only thing you can do for your baby girl, right? Click on the like button and let YouTube know that you're getting value from here. Please click on the like button, okay? So, and let me know in the comments, which coin do you want to buy next? Which coin are you buying next? Let me know in the comments. I want to know in the comments, which coin are you buying next? Or which coins have you bought that you currently have bought right now, and you want us to look at it, whether you can still keep on holding on to it, or maybe you want to cash out. Let me know in the comments which coins you would like to buy next, or the ones that you are currently buying and holding right now. Okay, let's move ahead. I'm going to go out of OM right now. OM is on the leaderboard, as you can see, and you can see in second place in the gainers, Coty has played a comeback. I remember Coty was here and it's back here again, right? You can see when a coin is on gainers, it may wander away a bit, but it will come back. It shows that a coin is good. Coty came back on top of the gainers, right? I'm going to be checking what's going on with Coty. It's second on this list. Let's see whether it's a good, oh my God. Interesting. This is good, but it might switch very soon. I'm seeing that it's 86. If you want to take a risk on this, you better take a very short risk. That means you want to try to scalp with this on the 1 minute to 5 minute time frame. Even with that, it's not so good at the 1 minute. Let's see about 3 minutes. Let's see. 3 minutes. It's possible if you look at it. It's possible that you can quickly scalp on this. You can see the volatility going up. Yeah, that's the best you can do right now. If you're going for more than 15 minutes, you might have to wait because I'm seeing that it's volatile within a short space of time, but you can see how it's been pumping in the 1 hour. Look at it. It's been pumping in the 1 hour, and you can see the gaps. Just look at the gaps of the parabolic stars. It's showing you huge pumps. In this case, you have to be very, very conservative. I will say, would I say conservative? Yes, but you can quickly come in 2 or 3 times. Yes, from what I can see here, you can actually take some positions and go in quickly and come out quickly in the very short time frames. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, these are the things you can quickly do because you can see now, look at the volatility here. You can quickly buy and go out, quickly buy and go with conservative. Right, let me see what's going on in the chat. Yeah, all right. So Medeka says, let's check TIA USDT. TIA, yes, I covered that yesterday. TIA was in the gainers, right? Yesterday. Let me show you. It was in the gainers. We covered that yesterday. TIA. Oh, it was it? Oh no, it came up later. It came up later. But it came up at a point. So let's go and check what's going on with TIA. TIA is also a very good coin. I saw it come up in the gainers, right? So let's go check what's happened to TIA. TIA is no longer in the gainers, right? You can see it right now. It's no longer in the gainers right now. It was in the gainers. So but let's go ahead and see what's happening to TIA. Let's check what is going on. Oh, even look at the trade I took yesterday. It's gone down a bit now. AST has gone down, so stay away from it. So let's check TIA. TIA USDT. All right. TIA went down. It was at 20. Yes, I remember it was at $20.20. If you were here yesterday, you would have seen that it rose all the way, right? It rose. Am I right? Was it 17? Look at it. Oh, I think it wasn't. No, it was at 17. It was at 17, something in that range. But look at it right now. This is the 5-minute time frame. I want to check the 1 hour. Let me see the 1 hour. I always take my decisions based on the 1 hour time frame. And the reason being that 1 hour time frame is still most, excuse me, please, is still the most considerable of them all for now, right? You want to be sure that. Hello, Kajal, how are you? Nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Let me know in the comments what coin you would want to buy now so that we can actually analyze it to be sure that you can take it. So we're currently analyzing TIA, which Medeka dropped here right now. And you want to be able to take advantage of that. All right, let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we're currently looking at TIA. TIA right now, personally, if you ask my personal opinion, I would not take it because of the parabolic star that's currently on it. In the 1 hour, the parabolic star is on top. So I'm not going to take it. Excuse me, please. I'm not going to take it. Reason being that, oh, yes. So see what I'm saying now. See, I was correct. I was looking at the 5-minute time frame. That's why it was $20.20. Then it now started dropping. Because at that point when it was $20.20, it was at its peak. And I think we saw that the RSI was kind of high. So you can see what happened. It started going down. So now that it's going down, it's about to switch and start going up. But it's only a probability. So I won't take it until I see a confirmation underneath it that, oh, yes, you can go ahead. Until I see the parabolic stars underneath, I'm not taking this TIA. So what I would say, Medeka, is that you just hold on. Well, you can say entry short. I'm not a specialist on futures. Let me start with that. So I wouldn't give you opinions about futures. I mean, people could say, yeah, you can take a short entry. Yes, and then probably it will go down. Yeah, you might say that. But that's a probability. It's a probability. What if it doesn't go down? The thing about futures, and I must clarify the difference between futures and spot trading, is that futures, in both ways, you can actually trade. You can trade if it's going up, you can trade if it's going down. But for spot trading, you can only trade if it's going up and make profit when it's going up. Now, the reason why I personally stick to spot trading is because of its predictability. Now, when it comes to futures, I can't predict what's going to happen. And I can lose my money because of that. Of course, what I'm doing is that in futures, because if you check my channel, you'll see some of my videos on futures. Yes. Well, Medeka, I wouldn't say you should. If you analyze it and you think so, it's your decision to go and play short with TIA. But currently it's pumping, so it might switch back up. If you go short on this and then the tide goes long, you lose money. You lose money, except you put a very tight stop loss, right? And if you say you want to play short, you want to play long, and the tide goes against you, you still lose money, all right? So in futures, it's quite risky, and you have to be very careful. You have to be sure what you're doing, right? But if in spot trading, you're not sure, what's the worst that can happen? You just wait it out. You won't lose your money. You're not going to get liquidated. That's not the reason why. That's the reason why I stick with, spot trading. What do you mean? What do you think, guys? Do you think that's a good reason? What do you think about, taking a short position with TIA? I can't give you a suggestion about that. I will only give you suggestions about whether you should take it for spot trading or not. All right. So for me, would I take this for spot trading? No, not for now. I would hold on a bit because I want to see the confirmation that I can take this TIA trade when I see the parabolic SARS underneath it. Okay, that's just what I would say about that. Okay, so I hope that helped. Medeka, did that help for TIA USDT? Did it help? If it did, let me know. All right, so Kajal, let me know what coin you would like us to, analyze, okay? And if any of you would like to be part of our premium trading class, I'm dropping a comment and just click on it, and then you can actually be, message me, right? And you'll be able to get information about our trading program, right? Where we take ourselves into deep dives, we do higher, more intense, opportunities looking at these very, very well on our live classes. Okay, so let's get back into what we're saying. What are we talking about? Let's go back. So we've checked on TIA. Let's go back into the gainers. What's going on in the gainers? Look at the gainers. OM is still on the leaderboard, followed by Coty. Coty, I think we were looking at Coty. Coty has made a comeback. I say it's currently, you can take advantage of this with scalping, very short positions, very, very quick in and out with conservative sell limits, right? Because I can see it's flipping and flopping. I'm seeing that more on the lower time frames. If you see on the 1 minute, you will see what I'm saying. It's still going up and down slightly on the 1 minute time frame. It's not very strong and energetic, but I think it is worth doing probably in the 1 minute or maybe 3 minutes. Let me check the 3 minutes. The 3 minutes also is not moving with that much energy. I would just say for now, just hold on. It's going through its own time. You might be able to wait it out. And then afterwards, you can do this on the 3 minutes time frame. You can do this. Oh my God, look at it. Yeah. It's really pumping. You can do this, right? That's quickly take short trade. Look at it. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Do I want to take this one? I don't know. Let me confirm. Let's see what's happening in the spot trading section. Is it having some very good velocity? I want to be sure. If it's having good velocity, I might just take it. I'm not sure. But let's go back again. Let me go and check. I always like to take my decisions based on the 1 hour time frame. If the 1 hour time frame isn't given, well, look at it. Let's see. These are my through rules, right? These are my 3 rules. If you're here, you want to take notes. Thank you, Medeka. You are welcome. Thank you too. All right. So these are my 3 rules for spot trading, and I try not to deviate from that. I always say you must have 2 out of these 3 rules. Best situation is to have all 3. Okay. So first off, you must have the parabolic SAR underneath. And we can see that we have the parabolic SAR underneath here, which meets one of the rules, because that's my rules for taking spot trading. I look at it for gainers, right? Not for new listings. The rules for new listings is different from the rules for gainers. Okay. But if we're in the gainers section, as we're looking at, the rules for gainers is make sure that the parabolic SAR is underneath. That's number 1. Number 2 is that you check, is the RSI more than 75? The RSI is 86. So that means it's already telling you it's overbought. It's on the overbought levels. It is actually beyond the overbought levels. So it's not meeting my criteria. The second criteria is that it must not be more than 75, because you don't want a case where you're entering into a trade that means that you're going to have to wait. Now, it may be risky. I mean, you can see that on the 1 to 5 minute time frame, you could quickly take this in and out short, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yeah, it's possible, but very conservative by the sell limits. All right. Now, my third point is that it must be pumping. It's not pumping. It's moving, yeah, but it has pumping means that the candle has to be full. The candle must be full, right? So I can say, well, it met one of the criteria, so I am not going to pick it, right? Personally, it's going to be a risk. I'll be doing what you call trial and error if I take this, because I'm going to be basing my choice on risk and probably luck. I hope you understand. Does it make sense? Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? If you understand what I'm saying, please let me know in the comments. Is it clear to you? Do you understand what I mean by saying that these are my 3 rules for picking spot trading? If you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I'll reiterate one more time. Okay, let's go over back. So Coty, I wouldn't take Coty for now. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, guys. I forgot to tell you yesterday. I forgot to ship out my profit. Yesterday, I was so excited about the fact that I actually won my trade. Let me show you. It was AST. So I was about to, send this. I was about to send my profit. But I just said, no, I would do that while we are live. So remember that I took this AST trade. Remember, I took the AST trade yesterday earlier, and then by the time I came back, it had already executed. It was just an experimental one, right? It was actually very flipping and flopping. It was one of those risk laden trades, right, that I took. So we bought it at 12.19, and then I placed a sell limit for 12.65, and I made like, I think let me show you. I made, after the trade, see what I made. From $20, not from $100, right? From $20, I made 59 cents, almost let's say 60 cents, right? Which was like 3%, right? Which was not bad. It's good. I mean, I could have done that trade over and over and over again, but just because of the risk elements, I decided not to. So I would send my profit later. I just wanted to let you know that I made 59, almost 60 cents on that particular trade, which was 3% profit. Okay, so let's get going. Let's go and see what's going on. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm seeing you guys here in my second device. I think maybe it's if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm not seeing the questions come in as quickly. So I guess, somehow, the network is working its own thing. Anyways, let's get back into what we are saying. So Coty, I've just analyzed it. Please stay away from that for now. ID is back. ID is back at its number 3. Oh, no, don't go near it. For now, the parabolic SAR is on top. Probably, I don't know if it's possible. You can take advantage of it on the lower time frames. Let me check it out on the 1 minute. 1 minute, no, don't do it. Don't do it. You will lose money or you will waste your time. 3 minutes, but it's having a pullback. I wouldn't do it. 5 minutes, what about that? Same thing. It's having a pullback. Let's not worry. Don't get close to it. So let's leave ID. ID is not bad. It's just that for now, maybe on the daily, you will have to take this for a couple of days for it to maybe go into the trade now. You wait for it probably like 3-4 days, and then it will execute, in profit. But for now, I would say if you're doing a 1 hour framework, I would just say stay away from it for now. Okay, so which one can you go into? I said OM is still good for now. Coty is quite, risky. I wouldn't take it for now. So let's take a good look at the last 3 on this list. Don't forget, this is the gainer section. I don't go beyond the first 6 because those are the ones that are actually making the rounds, right? Those are the ones that are doing the job. Okay, so if you are here, just focus on the first 6. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Please, I told you to please like this video. You haven't done that. Come and do that for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Go ahead and just like the video. Just like it. You're here already, so just click on the like. That's all. Thank you very much. So let's go ahead and look at Rune. Rune is $5.40 what? Wow. I would say this is about to switch. This is already switching already. You can see it has switched. It's at its peak. It's been going up. Interesting. It's been going up. We should have taken advantage of this much earlier. But would I take it? No for now. probably on the lower time frame, just to quickly scalp in and out. Let's check 3 minutes. Even 3 minutes isn't working. 3 minutes isn't working. Let's see 1 minute. Neither is it. Why? Look at it. You could scalp with it. It's still on the go. Look at it. It's on the. You have to be able to come in and out of it very fast. You're not going to waste time because you're checking. You can see it's green right now. You can come in quickly and then wait for it to quickly topple up and then you cash out, right? But you have to do this with good money. You're not doing this with like $20. You're not doing this with like $30. You should be doing it with like $500 and above, right? So Rune, it's not bad. Let's go back into gainers. Rune is not bad, but you will have to wait. I wouldn't do it for now because I'm seeing that even if you check the last candle, if you see that last candle, look at the last candle. The last candle is showing you that it's actually switching. Okay, guys, if you have any coin you want us to work on, just drop it in the comments. Like I said, which coin are you buying now? Which coin are you buying now? If you're here, you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe and click on the like. Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. For Rune, my honest opinion will be that Rune is about to switch. It might change. It might change. I don't know. I mean, that's why the market is very unpredictable. You can't really tell. But from what I'm seeing here, I wouldn't take it. I wouldn't take it, not because it's not a good coin. I wouldn't take it because I'm seeing two red flags. I'm seeing 89 for the RSI, and I'm also seeing that it's switching. And you can see right now, the parabolic SARS is very established and it's on the red candle. It's already at a point. It will definitely go through. So the best it can be is that it will go through its own pullback. When it goes through its own pullback, then it will now begin to go back up again. Now, how long that pullback session is going to take, I don't know. No idea. No idea how long this is going to take. So I would just say it's always best to just wait for you to see any positive, remarkable changes that will give you that opportunity. I would always say hold on a bit, right? Because you don't want to make a mistake. Time is your best friend. Time is always your best friend. Why is time your best friend? Because when you wait a bit, you can always get another opportunity. Look at it. You can see what I'm saying? It's already going down. So let's not bother about ourselves with this. What's the next one? We have RVN. Oh, FIO went to third position. Let's see. Whoops. What's going on here? Wow. Do I want to try this one out? This one looks like it's going. Let me check what's happening in the 4 hour. Yes, it's working. The 1 day, it's working. 15 minutes, is it working? It's working. Wow, it's working. I may just take this. 5 minutes, is it working? Yes, it's working. It's working. 3 minutes working? Yes, it's working. Oh my God, look at this. I think this is one to take advantage of. Let's look at it. I'm going to pick $20. Let me first of all send my money out first. Let me send my money out. I want to send my money out first, okay? Okay, so I'm trying to send my money out. Let's see. I'm just sending out the 59 cents. I just want to get it clear so that we don't block our attention with that. So let me send I'm out of taking my profit out of there. So I'm just going to, wow, look at it. This is good. This is looking good, right? Wow. Let's go with it. I hope this is not another, I hope it's not another one that we're going with it. 1, 2, go. Let's see. Oh, what am I doing? What happened? What happened? I haven't taken it yet. Oh, see. Wow. Can you see what that is happening? That's 1 minute. But let me go and see what's happening in the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame is looking good. Oh my God. Do I want to take this? This is actually just a risk. I don't know what I should take. What do you think? Do you think I should take this? Should I take this? I don't know. Would I go with it? It looks good. I want to take this. What's the best that can happen? Let's see. Let's go. Am I in the queue? Come on. I don't like oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. We picked up like 93 cents, $19, 93 cents. Okay. So let's see what's going on. Is it still going up? Anyway, we're going to set a sell limit. That's what we're going to do, right? So we're going to click on the sell limit, right? And then let's see the best one that will go for us. Where did it hit? It hit where? It hits. Look at where it hit. It hit 3425. Let's see what it will give us at 3425. Let's see what it will give us at 3425. 3425. Let's see. Wow, this looks good though. 34. Oh, look at it. We're in profit. We are in profit. Let's see. Oh, are we in profit? Oh, we're not yet there. We are not yet there. 3425. That's where we're headed. Let's put it in there. We're going to 3425. But we're in profit right now. We're actually in profit. We're actually in profit right now because we picked up, we're slightly in profit, not much, just a bit of profit. So if I go with 3425 or 335, let me see 35. Oh, can I make it over there? It should. Where's the highest? It went to 3425. Let's go and do this, right? Are you following? Are you taking this trade along with me? Are you taking this trade along with me? All right, so I'm putting this at 3425. Same thing, right? I'm just doing the same thing. Let's go with it. I'm just putting that in. Let's hope it will get there. It should get there. But you see, the best thing here is that it's not about it hitting your target. It's about you picking profits. You need to be able to, you should be able to pick profits along the way, right? That's always a beautiful thing about it. So we're just going to leave this for now. I'm sure it will get there. I'm looking at it. It's just going up. Look at it. It's definitely it's going to go past it. I'm sure it is. Just look at it. Just a minute, just a few minutes. It would. I mean, I just love the look of this. How much did we buy it, right? Let's go and check how much we bought it. We bought it at how much, right? Let's go and see what that is. It might just hit it right here. We bought it 3332. Okay. 3332 means that it has to be higher than that. 3332. We're actually in profit right now. We are in profit. It's going up, babies. It's going up. But it might just, it's flipping and flopping, We're just waiting to see, just watching the match. I can see it go up. It's going up. Come on. If you have any trade you want us to take, come on, drop that inside of the comments and I will be doing this for you. Look at it. Look at this. Wow. Interesting. It's going to shoot up. I know it is. Come on. Come on. It's going to break it. It's going to break it. It's going to break it. I'm just waiting to see it. And if it doesn't, I think, oh, come on. It is. Has it broken it? Has it broken it? It's just about it. It's gone. It's gone. We have made it. We've made it. Look at it. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Just right here. I just showed you. I took a trade. And how much did I make? I made 50 cents. I made 2.5%. Right? Just here. Imagine if you took the trade along with me. Follow me, guys. Follow what I'm taking, right? Take the trades. But if you're watching the replay, you have to go back and do your deep dive, check it to be sure that it's working. If you are actually watching the replay right now, if you're not live with me and you're watching the replay, please do your due diligence. We have made it, right? With FIO, we just made 2.5% right now. And I just knew, when I saw it, I knew it was going to happen. When I tell you something, take what I say as gospel truth, okay? With this, I just made money here, 2.5%. Imagine I did this with $1,000. I would make $25. Is it $25? Am I right? Yeah. With $1,000. With $100, that would be $2.50. Okay? So it's as easy as that. And it has gone beyond it. Now, of course, it's going to balance out. It's going to, is actually going to, what's that word now? Correct itself after a while. I knew it was going to get there because I saw it get there. And you can see that what I did, and just follow this plan, right? What I did was that I went and I took the price it went to. I didn't try to take a price that was beyond. I took the price it went to. That was the highest it went to. And that was what I did, right? And because it's always better to choose the price that you know it might likely go beyond. And you can see right now it's still taking that trend. It's gone beyond it. It's actually the 3445 because it was I put it at 3425. Now it's at 3450. If you're watching this with me, tell me what you think about this trade. What do you think? I can see you guys. What do you think? Have you taken this trade? Have you taken FIO USDT? Or you're just watching me? What are you doing? Are you watching me make money? Are you making money? It's at 3528. Look at it. This 3528. This FIO is it. If you're watching me live, take this trade now. It's not forever because this is going to switch. Look at it. It's going to switch. It will get to a point where it's going to switch. On the 4 hour and the one that you can see, it's going to switch very soon. I just took it right now. If you took this trade along with me, drop yes in the comments. If you took this trade along with me, let me know in the comments. I want to know because I just made money with this, right? I've done trades on this, on this lives that, this one executed right as we were on the live, right? The other trades I've been taking also executed. I'm telling you, this is the way to go. All right. So, oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me take out my profit like I always love to do. I am sending my profit on errand. Okay. I don't like to leave it waiting. Yeah. I'll take my profit now. Yes, I'll take my profit. Yeah, so I'm gonna put in the max and take out my 50 cents. Oh, yes, that's it. That's how you do it. You have your trading funds, and then as you make your profit, you move it out. That's how you can be accountable to yourself. Just right now, we can see the shift in change, the shift in price. It's established right now. It's actually at 34. We started this. In fact, let me take a screenshot of this because I would like to analyze it when we come back. You see right now it's correcting itself. It's correcting itself at this point, right? We took this trade. I'm going to be analyzing this by 6 hours. 6 p.m. time live stream, and then we'll be able to see what exactly happened to FIO. FIO is hot right now. It's on the gainers. I just made money with FIO. So what will be my top? My top will be OM FIO. Probably. Let me check Coty. I said Coty, we should give it time, right? I told you that I should give Coty some time. Coty needs some time. So my top will be OM. I'm seeing that OM has moved up, is now at 34. Interesting. No, 31. I would even say FIO is my number one for now. FIO, OM. Which one? Let's check Bonk. Bonk has also been making the rounds. I'm still trying to see. All right. Bonk has also been making the rounds, of course. Bonk has been making the rounds. Look at it. Bonk is another one that one can take. Bonk looks good. Would I take it? It looks good. Let me check the RSI. RSI is 82. Oh my God, but it's pumping. So at least it meets that. Probably we could take this. I think I'm going to take Bonk. Let's take Bonk. Let's go ahead and take Bonk. Let's take another $20 of Bonk. Yeah, I think it will be good. Let's take Bonk. Let's take Bonk. If you're here, you can take this trade along with me. Yes, let's see. Did we buy it? Has it been sold? Well, I'm still in the queue. I'm going to cancel that. So I think I want to take, for you, in this situation, you take the higher price, okay? If you want to buy that, oh yeah, I'm not wasting time. Let's take the higher price. Let's take the higher price. So let's put $20 there. All right, and let's go. We bought it. Have we bought it? Have we bought it? I think we have. What's going on? Oh, because it has gone up. That's the thing. It has gone up. It has gone up, right? It has gone up. Let's go. Let's do this fast. Come on, let's not waste time. It has gone up. Have we bought it? What's going on? Have we bought it? I think we have. We have bought it. Good. So let's go and see what's happening in the chart. And we will have to create a new level for it, right? We are looking at 2.5%, 2%, 2.5%, Let's go ahead and do this, right? This is, let's make this, where would it go? Let's see where it's going to go. It's in the last 24 hours. Where was it? Where did it hit? 1202. Let's see what 1202 will give us. 1202 may not be that much. Let's see. 1205. Let's see. That's not much. Let's try 13. Let's see whether you will get to 13. All right, let's see if it will get to 13. Okay, that's a lot. That is a lot. Okay, let's say 1208. Should we say 1208 or 1210? Let me see. Oh, still not much. So I think, let's see. Would it go to 13? No, let's just say 12. Let's say 1250. All right, maybe it will get to there. Okay, 84 cents. Do I want to be that greedy? That's like about 4% plus. Okay, let me do 4. Okay, I think I'll work with this, 4 or 3. Okay, I would like to stick within the range of 2.5%. Let's just 12. Let's do 12 and then 3. And then we'll go with that. And let's see, 51 cents is not bad. Let's go with that. All right, so we're currently in the queue. Will this get there? We're checking out. I think it would. I'm kind of sure it would, right? It's just that, the RSI was quite high, but I think it's going to push up because it was at push up point, right? It was, let's see how much we bought it. Let's go and see how much we bought this bunk. Okay, bunk is making the rounds also right now. So I would say my favorites will be, okay, so I bought bunk at 11.98, right? 11.98. What is it currently right now? I bought bunk at 11.98. Oh, it's gone down a bit. It's correcting itself. We'll be back to check it out. Okay, so it's going to go up. It's going to push up beyond that. Don't forget, this is where we were, 12.02. But 12.02 was not much of a profit for us because we bought it at 11.98. So let's see. Let's wait and see. This looks like it's going to go. Look at one day. One day it's about to switch. 4 hours. Yes, it's definitely working on the 4 hours. 1 hour, yes, 1 hour is good. 15 minutes should also be good. Yes, 15 minutes is good. Let's see on the 1 minute. 1 minute, oh, it's still good on the 1 minute. Let's see on the 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes, having a pullback. That's the reason why it came down a bit, right? Let's see on the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes, it's still good, right? Let's just give it some time. We'll come back and check it out. Probably before the next live stream, it should have, gotten executed. But that's the reason why we're here doing all of these, right? So if you're here and you have a coin you want us to look at, we just took a trade right now, not quite long, and that worked out just now, right on the live stream. Okay, I'm on a second one right now. If you are here taking this trade along with me, you should be able to make profit shortly. But you got to give it time, right? This is not magic. What we are doing is that we're analyzing the markets. And we are taking trades based on the analysis that we have. You can see this is a 1 hour time frame, right? It just had a little pullback. So we're hoping that it will definitely shoot up high beyond that, because I can see that, the parabolic SARS just started. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just 7, right? And I can see another reason why you take is when you see that the last one, the distance between the last one and the first one is quite different from the others. It shows that it's going to have a huge pump. So it's just correcting itself, and then we'll be back to check it out. Okay, let's go back. So what would be my 3 that I would say we should go with? We should look at. So let me take the screenshots one more time. Let's see what we have currently now. BNB is at 23.24. BTC is at 47,312. ETH is at 2,514. OM is at 31 cents. Solana is at 105. Come on, if you're not on Solana, I don't know what you're looking for. So you can see Coty is here too, right? So on the gainers, let's see what's going on the gainers, right? Bonk is still coming up. It's at 1181. Coty is now in first position. Interesting. What's going on with Coty? I haven't seen that. Coty is swapping with OM. OM now is back up. Then Coty is, I'm not sure about Coty, but I would say OM, FIO, Bonk. Oh, Bonk has left this page. It's still here, but in the view more. It's gone to another position. I like to look at the first 6 because those are the ones that have all the juice, right? So Bonk is still here, but it has gone down. Its position has been displaced. We'll be back to check it out, right? It's back in its place, number 6. Okay, so I would ask you, which coin will you do next? I'm going to put up a poll after this live, and I'll ask you guys, and you guys go vote, right? Vote and let me know what you think about it, okay? So what are my top three? FIOOM, because I made money on FIOC, the price is still good. FIOOM and Bunk. I'll like to take your votes there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back again on the live stream. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.